I welcome you all to this important session. Today we are going to discuss the important tips to prepare ISRO and GATE exams simultaneously. So I will be waiting for you to join the session, then we will start discussing this important session. Good evening everyone, good evening to all the students. Good evening to all the GATE and ISRO exam aspirants. Yes, I think 3 to 4 days back we have a very important session on the ISRO notification, and today we are here with again a very important session on how to prepare for these two exams, that is ISRO exam and GATE exam simultaneously. So good evening to everyone and welcome to Gradeup. Good evening Raghunath, good evening Sedupati, good evening Ninant Pathak, hello, good evening. Yes, good evening to everyone. I'll be waiting for you to join the session because this session is very, very important. So I'll be waiting for you for one or 2 minutes, then we will start with the session. Yes. So the topic is very clear. Today I will be telling you the tips, important tips to prepare for the ISRO exam and GATE exam simultaneously. Yes, Jai Hind, good evening and welcome to all. Welcome to Gradeup. So, shall we start? Yes. Say everyone, shall we start with the session? Because I don't want any one of you to, you should be present in the session. It is very, very important. Okay. So, I hope it is very clear that these two exams, ISRO exam and GATE exam, are very, very different. They are not particularly same exams. While ISRO exam is conducted in the month of January, will be conducted in the month of January, GATE exam will be conducted in the month of February. Okay, but today we are going to discuss how we can prepare both these exams. What is the syllabus of this exam? Is the syllabus same or different? What will be the strategy to prepare for these two exams together? Okay. So before we move further to tell you the strategy for preparing for these two exams together, this has been already told you in the previous session that ISRO date for ISRO online application is going on. It started from 15 October and the application form you can fill up to 4th of November and the last date is 6th of November 2019. Okay, and ISRO exam date is on 12th of January 2020. So these are the important dates. If you have not filled the form, this is a reminder. Again, I am telling you, please fill the form. Otherwise, the date will run out and you will miss this golden opportunity to be a part of this organization, that is ISRO. Okay. Now, GATE exam you already filled in the month of September. I hope you already filled the GATE exam and you are also preparing for the GATE exam. Please fill the ISRO exam also because the number of vacancies are such a huge in number. For electronics, there are 131 vacancies. For mechanical, 135. For computer science, there are 58. And for autonomous body, we have 3 vacancies. So the important benefits, why we need to fill the form, because this time we have such a big number of vacancies for this exam of, that is ISRO vacancy 2020. Okay. Can electrical and electronics students can fill for electronics post? Divya, no, you can only. It is very specific that you have to be a graduate of electronics, then only you can apply for this ISRO exam. Okay, you cannot apply for the ISRO exam if you are from the other streams. Okay, so this is a very important thing already discussed in the previous session. Vacancy for civil. Well, this time this current notification for ISRO is not for civil and electrical. It is only for these branches, that is electronics, mechanical and computer science. But there was a previous notification of ISRO for scientist of engineer. In that there were around 11 vacancies for civil, there were 5 vacancies for electrical and there were 4 vacancies for RAC, that is for mechanical. And this time again there are vacancies for mechanical, electronics and computer science with such a huge in number. Okay. Now this we have already discussed, I don't want to discuss much on that. So let us come directly to the point. Okay. The important point is how to prepare for GATE and ISRO exam simultaneously. So to understand that, we should understand the pattern of these two exams. I hope most of you already know about the pattern. The pattern is very simple. In the duration of the GATE exam is 180 minutes, that is for 3 hours, but for ISRO it is 90 minutes. Okay. Calculator, if you talk about the mode of the exam, GATE exam is conducted in the online mode while ISRO exam is still conducted in the offline mode. Calculators are not allowed for the ISRO exam, but there will be virtual calculator which are provided in the GATE exam because it's online exam. Number of questions asked in the GATE exam are just 65 questions asked in the exam. Total 100 marks. 65 question, 100 marks. 80 question, 240 marks. Okay, so for every single question, we have 3 marks for in the ISRO, and for every single question, they are basically 35 2 marks question. We have 35 2 marks question and 30 1 marks question. And for every 1 marks question, there is negative marking of 1/3, and for 2 marks question, there is negative marking of 2/3. But for the ISRO exam, the total number of questions will be 80 questions. Number of time is 90 minutes. So we can say that the time management is very, very important for this ISRO exam. If you are preparing for the ISRO exam, time management is very, very important compared to the GATE exam, because the time allotted for GATE exam is 180 minutes for 65 questions, but for ISRO exam, it's just 90 minutes for 80 questions. Okay. So you need to increase your speed and accuracy. Okay. Now maximum marks is 100 marks, already told you. Date of the exam is 12th of January for ISRO exam, and for GATE exam this year it is conducted in the month of 1st and 2nd February 2020 and 8th and 9th Feb 2020. Okay. Aptitude and English are not a part of ISRO exam, but they are asked in the GATE exam. So this is a difference between GATE and ISRO exam, that in the ISRO exam there will be no portion for aptitude and English. Okay, that is non-tech is not asked in the ISRO exam, while 15 marks are allotted in the ISRO GATE exam for aptitude and English portion. Okay, mathematics. Yes, mathematics is asked in both the exams, that is ISRO and GATE. Mathematics is having a weightage of around 15 marks in the GATE exam, while for ISRO it is 20 to 30 marks weightage. Okay, and if we talk about what is the weightage for numerical and theory type questions, so basically GATE exam is mostly numerical based, while few theory questions. But in the ISRO exam, there will be 20 to 30% of theoretical questions. Sorry, 60 to 70% theoretical question and 30 to 40% numerical and theoretical. That will be the ratio. So 60 to 70% of theoretical questions and numerical question will be 30 to 40 in the ISRO exam. Okay. Now, so we have seen the differences or in the pattern of the GATE and ISRO exam. There are some similarities, there are some differences. Now, how to prepare simultaneously for these two exams? What about negative marking in ISRO? In the ISRO exam, that every single question is for 3 marks with 1 marks negative. There will be negative marking of 1 marks, and there will be negative marking of the 1 marks. Sorry, is some okay. I think there's some problem here in this. Okay, so negative marking of 1 marks in the ISRO exam and 3 marks for every single question. So total it's about the 240 marks is the maximum marks for ISRO exam. Okay. Now the previous year cutoff for the ISRO exam has been seen that it is somewhat around maximum cutoff for ISRO exam so far is it cannot be more than 140 to 145 marks. Okay, for ISRO exam, and for GATE exam, you know that for different streams the cutoff is different. Okay. Now, what is the syllabus of the GATE and ISRO exam? So far, you know that the syllabus of the GATE exam syllabus is the standard syllabus. For other competitive exams. So we already know that for all the other competitive exams, for PSUs or SSC exams, well, GATE exam is somewhat, we can say it is a standard exam. Okay, it has a standard syllabus, and if you are preparing for the GATE exam syllabus with GATE exam, definitely your preparation for other exam will be good. Okay, now they have not mentioned about the ISRO exam. ISRO exam syllabus is not as such mentioned. They have only told that the syllabus will be almost same as for your BTech syllabus. Whatever is your BTech syllabus or your Bachelor of Engineering syllabus, the same syllabus will be asked in the ISRO exam. All right. So ISRO exam syllabus will be almost same. ISRO syllabus almost same as GATE exam. I have told you the difference. The difference is very simple. In the GATE exam, we will be having the portion of general aptitude, but that is not present in the ISRO exam. While mathematics and rest of the technical subjects are same for both GATE and ISRO exam. Okay. If we talk about the other important strategy, now if you are suppose you are preparing for the GATE exam, and right now we have got the notification. You have got the notification for ISRO exam. Now you must be thinking that there will be different strategy for preparing of ISRO exam. No, the strategy is not at all different, because we have just seen the syllabus is almost same. What you have to do is, you have to study for the GATE exam, like you are doing. Okay, you have to study the content for the GATE exam. Okay, only difference is that you have to take the mock test separately for ISRO exam, and you have to solve the previous year papers. Okay, so after completing the syllabus for technical, you have to just practice the previous year paper of ISRO as well as GATE. Both are mandatory. So you have to practice the previous year papers for ISRO and GATE exam. See, previous year papers are important for both the exams. Okay, even if you are preparing for any other exam, previous year papers plays a very important role. Okay, and one thing I have to tell you, that in the GATE exam, for all the streams, it has been seen that in the ISRO exam, around sometimes 30% of, almost 30% questions of GATE exam, GATE previous year papers, GATE previous year are asked directly. Sometimes they are asked directly in the ISRO exam. They are asked directly. And this is not only for a single stream. Let me tell you the example for that. In the 2015 paper of mechanical ISRO exam, almost 40 questions were same as previous year GATE questions. And same applies to electronics and computer science, electrical, other branches also. Okay, so the previous year of GATE exam, if you are preparing for GATE and ISRO together, the solving previous year for ISRO exam is important, and GATE exam is also important, because directly question comes in the ISRO exam from GATE previous year paper. Okay, that is a very important thing. Okay, so your preparation for ISRO and GATE exam should be on the same page. It should not be, see, if that opportunity has come for you, that is a golden opportunity. You can grab both the opportunity. Only thing that you have to do is, you need to practice the mock test. You need to practice mock test for ISRO and GATE. You need to practice the previous year papers. Okay. Now, the last important thing is that you have to understand what are the resources from which you are going to practice, or what are the resources that you can refer to for preparation of your ISRO exam and GATE exam. See, for GATE exam, most of you must be preparing for the GATE exam from the last 2 months, because the GATE notification was out in month of September. So you must be preparing for the GATE exam from Gradeup or some other resources. Okay, but those who are preparing from the Gradeup is providing you GATE Champion Study Plan. In the GATE Champion Study Plan, those who are following our Gradeup app, we are providing you daily proper study notes, daily quizzes, under this study plan for each and every topic, for each and every subject. In the GATE Champion Study Plan, we are providing you this study notes and daily quizzes for each and every subject of all the streams of this, either it's mechanical, computer science, electrical. This is for all the streams, all the branches. So Gradeup is providing you this GATE Champion Study Plan. If you are following our Gradeup app, you can go into this prepare section for different exams, and you can find this Champion Study Plan for GATE 2020. Okay, and likewise, Gradeup is also coming with Mission ISRO Study Plan. Mission ISRO Study Plan is going to be launched very soon on the Gradeup app. You can access to this Mission ISRO Study Plan. There also will be providing you study notes, quizzes. There will be some live session also in the YouTube for this ISRO. Okay, so Mission ISRO Study Plan, GATE Champion Study Plan together can be a very important resource for the preparation of these two exams together. Okay, study notes should be improved. Yeah, there will be good quality study notes. Don't worry about it. And if you have followed our Champion Study Plan, definitely we have improvised our notes. Every time we improvise our notes, and so you will get good quality notes. Okay, because quality study notes are very, very important. And the last thing is that you have to understand that there are some important tips. These are some important tips for both the exams. First thing is time management. See, I have to say this something about time management. See, in the GATE exam, you know it is online mode, and this ISRO exam is conducted in the offline mode. So you are in a habit of solving the previous year papers, or we can say you are giving habit of solving the test series, and that too are basically online. But ISRO exam is conducted in the offline mode. And also we have seen that this is 90 minutes for 80 questions, which gives you approximately 1 minute for each question. 1 minute for each question in ISRO. But for the GATE exam, you get approximately 3 minutes for each question. Approximately 3 minutes for each question in the GATE exam. So the time management plays a very important role for these two exams. While for ISRO exam, the paper is conducted in the offline mode, number of questions are more, the time is less, so definitely time management is very, very important. Other thing that about the time management is, basically what happens in the ISRO exam, it has been seen that there are some questions which are provided deliberately by them so that you can get confused, you get involved in the solving those questions. But those questions are that you have to leave those questions. Okay, they are basically given in the ISRO exam to confuse you, so that you can consume your time in solving those questions, and you can leave those questions which are very, very important. So the thing is, you need to see the complete paper. You need to access the complete paper, okay, for ISRO exam or for GATE exam. So you have to go through the complete paper and avoid pushing yourself for one question. If the question is not coming out, you are not able to solve the question, leave that question. Don't push yourself that I have to solve this question. Don't keep it on your ego that I have to solve that question. Okay, just leave that question and move on to the next question. Because if you see this ISRO exam or GATE exam, particularly if I talk about the ISRO exam, 80 questions, that is 240 marks. And the cutoff so far is around 140 marks. Okay, so you don't have to attempt all the questions, my dear. You just have to attempt those questions on which you are 100% confident. Okay, you just have to attempt those questions. You don't have to attempt you don't have to get 240 marks, guys. The marks for ISRO in the written test are only for qualifying the exam. Those marks are not included for final selection. They are just for screening purpose. Okay, so you just have to clear the cutoff. Now, for clearing the cutoff, you have to aim for, out of 80 marks, you just have to aim for at least, 80 questions. Out of 80 questions, you need to aim for at least 60 questions, 60 correct questions. So guys, you can see here, if you attempt 60 correct questions, you will get approximately 80 marks. not approximately. You can see here, negative marking is also there, guys. Negative marking is there for both GATE exam and ISRO exam. So you have to take care of this negative marking also. Okay, while in the GATE exam, the competition is such a huge in number, the cutoff is increasing every year. But for ISRO exam, the good thing is that if you clear the cutoff, the real fight starts in the interview. Interview plays a very important role in the ISRO exam. So time management is one important factor. Other is you need to solve the complete previous year paper. Solve complete previous year paper. If you have to prepare for both the exams, solving the previous year paper will actually give you an idea that how much time you are taking to solve the particular paper. Okay, and since ISRO exam is in the offline mode, better you solve the ISRO exam complete paper and give 90 minutes for the exam, solving the paper, and see how many questions you are able to correct or solve it correctly. That is very, very important. Okay, avoid OMR mistakes. Now this is very, very important. See, ISRO exam is conducted in the offline mode while GATE exam is conducted in the online mode, and most of the exam right now are conducted in the online mode. But ISRO is still conducting the exam in the offline mode, so you have to fill, after solving the question, after marking the correct answer, you have to fill your OMR sheet. Now this OMR sheet, you have to fill that OMR sheet correctly. Most of the time it has been seen that the mistakes, the common mistake that are being, basically most of the students have this common mistake that they don't fill their OMR sheet correctly, and they land up in getting unwanted marks that you don't want. Basically you think that you will be getting 180 marks, you have solved all the 60 questions correctly, but due to some error in the OMR sheet, if you are not able to fill the OMR sheet properly, everything will be waste. Okay, so please fill your OMR sheet correctly, and the correct strategy for that is solve all the questions in, like, you can solve it in 1 hour, and the last 30 minutes you can give for filling the OMR sheet. Okay, that is the best strategy for filling the OMR sheet. Okay, avoid negative marking. This is for both the exams, either it's GATE exam or ISRO exam. Negative marking should be avoided because negative marking is not at all beneficial for your score. Okay, so whatever percentage of question you know, you need to solve only those questions. You can leave those questions on which you are not confident. Okay, so don't put everything on your ego that why I'm not able to solve this question, why I'm not getting the answer for this question. Just leave that question if you are not able to solve that question. Okay, now one thing I have to tell you, for this solving the previous year, for solving the mock test, for solving the full length mock test, the best time for solving the full length mock test is when you get your admit card. For example, the ISRO exam is conducted in the month of 12th of January. That is the date for ISRO exam. So the admit card will be out in the month of last week of December. Okay, so start solving the full length mock test for ISRO exam in the same timing of your ISRO exam. Okay, in that way you will be in a habit of managing your time, that if the paper is in the morning shift, you will be in a habit of getting up early and solving the paper. Okay, so be in a habit of solving the question, solve full length mock test, in same shift of your paper. That is mandatory for both the exams, either it's GATE exam or ISRO exam. Solving the full length mock test in the same timings of your paper, actual paper in which your timing GATE or ISRO exam will be conducted, it will give you an idea that, okay, if you will be in a routine, you will be in a proper routine of getting up early if it's in the morning session, or you will be having your body clock will be set according to that. Okay, so that is very, very important, that you have to solve the full length mock test in the same timings of your actual exam. Okay, so these are some important points that you need to understand. And for this ISRO exam, since the paper is conducted in the offline mode, so it's better that you can access to some test series or some mock tests which are conducted in the offline mode. So offline mode test series should be preferred for ISRO, and you can prefer for both online and offline, but try to have some offline test series also for ISRO. Okay. Now the main point is how Gradeup is going to help you for that. See, Gradeup is providing you courses for GATE exam, and also yesterday we have launched this Diwali offer. Yesterday, to make your Diwali a green Diwali, Gradeup has launched this green card. The green card for all the branches of engineering, that is mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics, computer science. You can access this green card following the link of test series @gradeup.co. You just need to go through this link and you can access this green card. This green card is a one pass for accessing all the test series, all the mock tests in the coming year. So there are two green cards. One is monthly and there is yearly green card. If you have purchased our green card, you can have access of solving all the mock tests for different branches in that particular duration of the validity of the green card. So that is an important feature which has been launched by Gradeup, and I hope you have seen the session yesterday. And since you know that this is Diwali week going right now, and today we have a Diwali offer from 22nd of October, that is from yesterday, till 25th of October. In this Diwali offer, you can buy our yearly green card, which is having the cost of $499 right now. It is having the cost of $499. There are three offers right now. One offer is flat 25% off. Flat 25% off offer is applicable only up to 25th of October. That is Diwali offer. And in that, the cost of this yearly pass will be $375 only. Okay, that is the cost of this yearly pass if you buy this green card up to 25th of October. Okay. Yes, what is your comment? Kiranmay Gope, please. I'm sorry, I'm not able to see your comment. Please tell me what you are asking. Yes, Kiranmay Gope. Please feel free to ask anything. What is the doubt, Kiranmay Gope? Okay, so I think you must be having this doubt of why the courses are not for other branches. See, right now we are running the courses only for three branches, that is electrical, electronics and mechanical, but very soon we will be coming up classes for civil also. Okay, so have some patience. Definitely we will be providing you classes for civil. Okay. So I was talking about this Gradeup green card and Diwali offer. Right now Diwali week is going on. So first offer is flat 25% off. Second is, if you buy this green card in this up to 25th October, you will get the yearly card. You will get 2 months extended warranty or extended validity. 2-month extended validity will be provided to you if you buy this green card up to 25th of October. And the last thing is that some of the lucky winners will get a chance to win OnePlus 70 and Redmi 7S every day up till 25th of October. So offer is valid only up to 25th of October. That is the Diwali offer for our green card. Okay. That is the email ID for our customer care, or you can say, you can have any doubt, you can regarding this green card, you can mail here testseries@gradeup.co. So right now we are having some courses for GATE exam. Also we will be starting some preparation. Mission ISRO plan will be started for ISRO exam on the app, and also will be coming for live classes on the YouTube channel for ISRO exam in the month of November. Okay, so very soon we are coming for that. Right now we have this GATE courses, Rank Up GATE Electrical, EE, and in that we are covering these important feature, that is 300 plus hour classes, 2000 plus numerical questions, 26 subject tests, 4 part tests and 7 mock tests, and topic wise quizzes and PDF for each. And same thing is launched for electronics also, and you can see for mechanical. So these are 3 courses for GATE exam for electrical, electronics and mechanical. And those who are thinking that why there are no courses for this civil exam and computer science, definitely we will come up with the courses for civil and computer science. Please have some patience. We are working on it. Okay. Now those who can want to buy this GATE course, right now we are providing you 50% off on the MRP who has qualified. For all the GATE qualified students, those who have qualified the GATE exam in this consecutive year, that is 17, 18, 19, if you have qualified the GATE exam in this year, definitely you can get a scholarship of 50% off on the MRP. Okay. And this off is also for all the IIT and NIT BTech students. So you can avail this offer of Rank Up GATE, all the 3 courses. If you are preparing for GATE exam for this electronics, electrical, mechanical, you can get this scholarship of 50% if you have GATE qualified in the year 17, 18, 19, and if you are IT, NIT BTech students. And if you have any query or any doubt regarding anything, you can ask your query. You can drop a query in any question in the comment box. We'll very happy to reply to that. And if you have any feedback also, you can provide your feedback. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, so never miss any update or any videos like this, which will be definitely coming for such videos, for such interactive classes and such important informative session. So for that, you please need to subscribe the YouTube channel. Okay. So I hope the information is totally clear to you. Those who are preparing for the GATE exam and ISRO exam together, you don't have to worry for anything. You just need to prepare for the GATE exam. You need to cover the syllabus of the GATE exam. Practice the previous year ISRO paper. Practice all the GATE previous year papers. And don't forget to take the test series. Now for Gradeup, you don't have to take separate test series. You just need to have one green card. Okay, that I have already told you. So I hope this information is helpful for everyone. I hope we will come back for another session for ISRO exam. And we'll also come with some YouTube classes for ISRO exam preparation. And don't forget, Gradeup is coming up with Mission ISRO Study Plan on the Gradeup app. Okay. So I hope that all the information is clear to you, loud and clear. And I hope this session is useful to everyone. And so what are you waiting for? Just start your preparation for ISRO exam and take this GATE. Those who are preparing for the GATE exam, you don't have to do anything else. You just need to cover the syllabus of GATE exam. Sidewise, what you can do is solve the previous year papers of ISRO and GATE. And please don't forget to take the test series. Thank you so much, Abhishek Singh, for your appreciation, for your compliment. And your feedback is very, it gives us energy to work like that. Thank you so much, Abhishek. So, yes. See you in some other session. Till then, thank you and have a good day. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Never miss any update like this. See you in the other session. Thank you and have a good day. Thank you.